Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've done a lot of videos on text spacing, and a viewer subscriber just gave me a tip the other day, something I wasn't aware of. So if we take the shape tool and select this text, there's two things that we can do here and space out the letters, or we can hold down the shift tool and space out the words. And then the same thing here with this handle, if we can do that and move them around, or you can individually select these nodes and move them around with your arrow keys. And I don't really know the 100% why this would be important, but it could if you wanted. I shouldn't have used the same letters over and over, but if you'll take your text tool and select all those letters and go to text and the text docker. I've never have even noticed it, never played with it. It says AV kerning range, and you can take those letters and just click it 5%, and it is spacing the letters out of just the word letter and leaving everything else the same. Now, the only reason I could see this would be helpful is that it's at 100%. So if we wanted to take the next line, we could just type in 100% and it'll do the same spacing. So it's right here in your text docker that you can get to from text and text. And there's a lot of things in here, but I've never have played around with this. And it could be pretty useful for let's say you want to do the same thing to this. Well, there's two ways you can grab it like that, or you can grab all the nodes like that and see they're the only ones blacked out, and we could make them 100%. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.